Hello everyone, welcome to Study IQ. In this video, I will bring to you the set 4 for the expected questions for Madhya Pradesh Judiciary exam. So let's start the video. I would like to remind you that we have a very good best-selling course for the MPPCS Judiciary exam, and this has also covered the local topics that come in the Judiciary exam, like the laws of Madhya Pradesh, the land laws and everything, made by two of the finest faculties of India. So do check that out also, but this is a completely free crash course that I am undertaking. So let's start set 4. Indian Railways has collaborated with BHEL. Now, for those of you who don't know, BHEL is a Maharatan company, and in India there are 10 Maharatan companies, right? 10. BHEL, SAIL, GAIL, oil and this Indian Oil Corporation, then Hindustan Petroleum, Bharat Petroleum, all of these are Maharatan companies. So the number is 10. So BHEL has collaborated with Indian Railways and they have set up 1.7 megawatt power solar power plant. The capacity is 1.7 megawatt solar power plant in which city of Madhya Pradesh? So this has been set up in Bina. This has been set up in Bina in Madhya Pradesh, and it will produce 25 lakh unit of electricity every year. Which color dustbin was introduced by Indore Municipal Corporation for corona infected material? All the corona infected material like the mask or the gloves or the PPE, personal protective equipment. So those need to be dumped in the yellow color dustbin. So yellow color dustbins were put all over the city by Indore Municipal Corporation. Madhav National Park located in which district of Madhya Pradesh, or which city? So basically, Madhav National Park is named after Madhav Rao Scindia. Madhav Rao Scindia, the Prince of Gwalior, the King of Gwalior. But it is not in Gwalior. It is in Shivpuri, and Shivpuri is in Gwalior division. So the district is Shivpuri. The answer is Shivpuri. Okay, but it is in Gwalior division of Madhya Pradesh. So the answer is Shivpuri. And also you should remember the other national parks also of Madhya Pradesh, like Bandhavgarh, Pench, Panna, Kanha, Fossil National Park, and all of these. Very, very important. Which of the following mosque is the largest mosque in India? So it's a common misconception that people have that Jama Masjid is the largest mosque in India. No, it is the Tajul Masjid. Tajul Masjid mosque is the largest mosque in India. Maximum people can sit here, and it is an example of the Mughal architecture, and it is pink in color, made of pink stone, and then there are two minar also. There are two minarets which are there. So Tajul Masjid is in Bhopal. That you also have to remember. It is in Bhopal. It is the largest mosque in India. The police of which state will get mob management and communication training from Indian Institute of Management, Indore? Indian Institute of Management, Indore, they have signed a MOU with Uttar Pradesh Police. Uttar Pradesh Police will get lessons in traffic management, data analysis, social media management, mob management, all of these, and how to tackle violence in such a way that there is no damage to public property. Basically, the entire management will be taught to the Uttar Pradesh Police by IIM Indore. Where was the 63rd National Shooting Championship held? 63rd National Shooting Championship, remember, it took place in Bhopal. And try to remember the names of all the shooters of India, the good ones. The best ones these days are Saurabh Chaudhary. Then we have Divyansh Singh Panwar. Among the women, we have two who are the best. Manu Bhakar is the best. And then even Ella Vanil Vala Revan. Also, we have International Sports Shooting Federation, which is the official body for shooting. It is headquartered in Munich. And Munich is a city in Germany. The National Water Conference was held in which city of Madhya Pradesh? National Water Conference. And do you know who is known as the Waterman of India? The Waterman of India is a person from Rajasthan. His name is Rajendra Singh. So remember, it was conducted in the capital, Bhopal. National Water Conference. And who is the Jal Shakti Minister of India? There is a separate ministry for water resources which was renamed as Jal Shakti. So Jal Shakti Minister is from Jodhpur. His constituency is Jodhpur, and his name is Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. What is the name of the mobile doctor booth which was designed by the Indian Railways Coach Rehabilitation Workshop in Bhopal? Indian Railways Coach Rehabilitation Workshop in Bhopal, they designed a mobile doctor booth. It's like a walking hospital, mobile doctor booth. The doctor will come to you. You don't have to go to the doctor. And it was named as Charak. Charak. And of course, we are talking about, when we talk about Bhopal, we talk about the West Central Railway Zone. West Central Railway Zone. What is the chemical formula of methyl isocyanate, the gas that was responsible for the Bhopal gas tragedy? Bhopal gas tragedy, there was a Union Carbide factory, and on the intervening night of 2nd and 3rd. So 2nd and 3rd of December, the night of 2nd December, and the night between 2nd December and 3rd December, you can say like that. So that is when the Bhopal gas tragedy happened. And Bhopal gas tragedy was defined by International Labour Organization. It was declared as one among the major industrial accidents of the 20th century. So from Union Carbide factory, the gas methyl isocyanate was leaked, and methyl isocyanate formula is CH3NCO. And recently we observed 36th anniversary of the Bhopal gas tragedy in December 2020, 2nd December 2020. And 25,000 people died because of this. Very, very important. Madhya Pradesh State Cooperative Seed Federation, they have decided to produce its own brand of seeds under what brand name? So the government of Madhya Pradesh, they are selling their own seeds so that the farmers don't buy low quality seeds from the agents. These seeds are called Sahabij. Sahabij is the name, and these are the seeds which are government owned. The first international flight of Madhya Pradesh took off from Devi Ahilyabai Holkar International Airport in Indore for which city? So Indore Airport was recently declared as an international airport. And even the Kushinagar Airport in Uttar Pradesh was also declared as an international airport. So the first flight from Indore Airport was to Dubai. First ever foreign flight was to Dubai. And Indore Airport is named after Devi Ahilyabai Holkar. In which city of Madhya Pradesh Garud Stambh is found? It is named as Heliodorus Pillar, right? Heliodorus Pillar. So Garud Stambh is found in Vidisha. And Vidisha was also the constituency from where Sushma Swaraj used to contest elections. In fact, they are building a statue of Sushma Swaraj in Vidisha. Madhya Pradesh has released a sire directory which comprises the details of which among the following? So the sire directory will have all the details of bulls. There are 16 different breeds of bull, and all the details of bulls will be there. The semen of the bulls is used to impregnate the cows for better yield, better milk yield, and all the data related to their bulls, their even genetic data will be made available on the sire directory. Government of India has signed a $490 million loan agreement with which bank for upgradation of roads in Madhya Pradesh? Madhya Pradesh will be given this huge loan of $490 million by the Asian Development Bank. So the answer is Asian Development Bank. India is the 4th largest shareholder in this bank. The highest shareholder is Japan, followed by America, 3rd is China, and 4th is India. Asian Development Bank is headquartered in Manila, which is the capital of Philippines. Madhya Pradesh has launched which mobile app and portal for the women's safety? For women's safety, they launched a mobile app which is known as MPE COP. So the answer is option C. This app will have a SOS button, emergency button, which can be pressed, and it will be GPS enabled so that the police will reach the site. If a woman is in distress, she can just press the emergency button or distress button in the mobile app. Avanti Mega Food Park was inaugurated in which city of Madhya Pradesh? Mega Food Park is for food processing, when we convert the primary food into secondary and tertiary food items. So Avanti Mega Food Park has been opened in Devas. It has been opened in Devas, and this is an initiative of the Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Here, processing of soybean, gram, wheat, and other food grains will be carried out. The government of Madhya Pradesh wants to apply for the GI tag for which product? So remember, Indore's poha and then the sweet gajak of Morena. Both of these, the government will try to get a GI tag for both of these. So the answer is A and B. Also, the last product from Madhya Pradesh to get a GI tag was the Kadaknath chicken, which is eaten in the tribal belt of Jhabua. Kadaknath, it's a black meat. There is a black meat of Kadaknath chicken, and it is rich in proteins. Which university of Madhya Pradesh has become the first university to be accorded A+ grade by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, NAAC? So this is the Devi Ahilya University, And again, Devil Ahilya University is in Indore. So Devil Ahilya University is the first university in India to be given A+ grade by NAC. Madhya Pradesh has launched which campaign to reduce infant mortality due to pneumonia? So this campaign is known as SAAS. SAAS. And what is the full form of SAAS? SAAS stands for Social Awareness and Action to Neutralize Pneumonia Successfully, or SAAS. Pneumonia is a disease of the lungs. Which of the following place is famous as the Kashmir of Malwa? Which place in Madhya Pradesh is known as the Kashmir of Malwa? So it is Narsingarh. Narsingarh also has the famous Narsingarh Wildlife Sanctuary, and it is very beautiful. It is known as Kashmir of Malwa. Madhya Pradesh has launched Pankh Abhiyan under the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme. What does P in Pankh stands for? So Pankh is a holistic development for the female child, girl child, right? And in Pankh, every alphabet has a meaning. So P stands for protection. So the answer is B. A stands for awareness. N stands for nutrition. K stands for knowledge. And H stands for health. So this is the Pankh Abhiyan of Madhya Pradesh. Minister of State for Culture and Tourism Prahlad Singh Patel recently inaugurated 2 excavation sites at Karanbel Tripuri and Tevar in which district of Madhya Pradesh? In which district of Madhya Pradesh excavation will be done by Archaeological Survey of India? So these are the 2 places, Karanbel Tripuri and Tevar, and both are in Jabalpur district. Jabalpur district of course is located on the bank of Narmada river. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of the Madhya Pradesh Court, High Court, which is in Jabalpur? So Madhya Pradesh High Court Chief Justice is Mohammad Rafiq. The answer is Mohammad Rafiq. Sonagiri, which is situated in Datia district of Madhya Pradesh, is famous for what? So remember, Sonagiri is situated in Datia and it is famous for the Jain temples dating back all the way to 9th century. Which scheme has been launched by the government of Madhya Pradesh for boys and girls coming out of the child care institution and having completed 18 years of age? So this scheme is known as Launchpad scheme. Launchpad scheme has been launched in all the 52 districts of Madhya Pradesh, and this scheme is about giving work to these students who have completed 18 years of age. So like coffee shops, stationery shops, photocopy shop, computer typing, different types of work will be given, and amount of 6 lakh rupees will be made available, for the installation of their launchpad. These launchpad can be anything, like a coffee shop is a launchpad, and they will be opened. Launchpads will be provided at a cost of 6 lakh rupees. So that was the Madhya Pradesh Judiciary expected question set 4. And I repeat, our paid course covers everything that is asked in the Madhya Pradesh exam. And we are very, very sure that if you are highly motivated, you can prepare for the judiciary exam with our best-selling paid course. So do check it out. The link is in the description below, and I'll see you in part 5. Thank you for watching Study IQ.